subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कोविड-19 से बचाव के लिए यूएई ने नए हिफाजती प्रोटोकॉल नाफिज किए हैं। यूएई की नेशनल न्यूज़पेपर की तरफ से एक वीडियो जारी की गई है जो उन दोस्तों के लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव है जो इन फ्यूचर यूएई जाना चाहते हैं या इस वक्त यूएई में मौजूद हैं। प्लीज़ आपसे गुजारिश है वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा।
Al-Husn is the UAE's official COVID-19 app. It is used for PCR tests, contact tracing, and as a vaccination record. Here's how it works. You can download the Al-Husn app from the App Store, Google Play Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the Galaxy Store free of charge. The app works on smartphones running Android and iOS. Register by entering your Emirates ID and phone number followed by the one-time password sent to your phone. Here's what Al-Husn can do. If you have had contact with someone who has tested positive, the app can warn you to self-isolate. For contact tracing to work, keep the app running in the background at all times. The app also keeps a record of all your COVID-19 test results. It uses a color-coded system to show your health status. If it turns red, it means you have tested positive and you must seek the advice of the local health authority. Amber means you need to be tested or retested because of possible exposure to COVID-19. Green indicates your test result is negative and gray means you have no recent test results. A record of your COVID-19 vaccination doses is also stored on the app, so you can use it to prove your status in the UAE. So why do you need the Al-Husn app? All UAE residents traveling back into the UAE from abroad must download the app to show their health status. If you're traveling from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, you also need to show the app to prove you have recently tested negative for coronavirus. The letter E shows you have had your second dose of a COVID-19 vaccination at least 28 days ago and a negative PCR test within the past 7 days. If you want to keep your E status, you must have a COVID-19 test every week. As of May 2021, if you want to go to a live event in Dubai, you need to show the app to prove you have taken the vaccine. In Abu Dhabi, starting from June 15th, your status on the Al-Husn app will determine whether you'll be allowed into malls, hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets. You'll need a green pass, which means your profile's color on the app should be green. To get the pass, you'll need a negative PCR test, but the validity of the test will differ by category. If you received your second dose at least 28 days earlier, a negative PCR test will give you a pass for 30 days. If you received your second dose less than 28 days earlier, a negative PCR test will give you a pass for 14 days. If you have only received your first dose of the vaccine, a negative PCR test will give you a pass for 7 days. If you're late to your second dose appointment by 48 days or more, a negative PCR test will give you a pass for 3 days. For those with vaccine exemption certificates used by people who cannot take the vaccine for medical reasons, a negative PCR test will cause the Al-Husn status to appear green for 7 days. For unvaccinated people and those who do not have vaccine exemption, a negative PCR test will give you a green pass for 3 days. Who can use Al-Husn app? Everyone in the UAE can use the app. Vaccinated tourists can also use Al-Husn app to prove that they have been inoculated in their home country. They can do this by registering a unified identification number that can be found on the visa page. They'll need to do this to get into bars and nightclubs and events such as concerts in Dubai. If you're from a country that has a visa on arrival arrangement with the UAE, you only receive a visa stamp on your passport and a 5-digit number, not a unified ID. You'll need to contact the immigration services, GDRFA in Dubai or ICA for the rest of the country and ask them to generate a number for you. People who are exempt from vaccination must visit an authorized medical center for an evaluation. The center will submit a report to the health authorities. Approval will appear on Al Hosn app. Those exempt from vaccination requirements include those inoculated outside the UAE, active COVID-19 patients, those taking part in vaccine clinical trials, pregnant women, former COVID-19 patients following medical evaluation, those who have previously had severe allergies to vaccines, and those with diseases that may be incompatible with a vaccine.